helps you work faster, easier, smarter. Installing cabinets requires accurate cuts on site to achieve a quality fit without any extra steps. With the TS, you mark your cut line, place the rail, and make the cut. The cut is clean and install ready without chip out or splintering. And fabricating countertops is an easy process with the Festool TS. Whether cutting precise angles or truing laminate edges, Festool has been bringing innovation to the portable power tool industry for over 80 years and continually wins top ratings and reviews by professionals. The Festool TS system starts with our special blade and motor design for precision cutting and the rail guide to ensure a straight cut at any angle. A pivoting design controls your cut depth. You can add bevel angles on any cut without extra measurements. And our dust control system that captures up to 96% of all dust. Cutting panels for casework with a Festool TS is simple, even when working alone. Rails are available in a variety of lengths and can be combined for any cut. Place the rail and cut on your line for accurate, straight cuts every time without the need to measure or calculate offsets. And angle cuts or scribe cuts are simple. Festool's precision starts with our innovative rail system that simplifies measurement and ensures a straight cut. The TS minimizes blade wobble with a larger arbor. Innovative laser cut blades with tooth patterns optimized to reduce vibration. And splinter guards on both sides of the blade make glue-ready cuts on even the most splinter-prone wood. The result? The TS design virtually eliminates tooth marks and burning.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the quick depth stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the quick depth stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close to the wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita's built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of best-in-class engineering. The SP6000J uses precision machine magnesium for the blade case, gear housing, and base. Exceeding industry-standard machine specifications, the SP6000J weighs only 9.3 pounds, making it the lightest saw in its class. The large two-finger trigger and the ergonomic rubberized handle provide additional comfort. The SP6000J has a soft start feature for smooth startups and a variable speed control dial for optimum performance in a variety of soft and hardwood materials. The electronic speed control and powerful 12-amp motor are designed to maintain constant speed under load, even under hard and thick materials, creating a smooth and splinter-free cut every time. The saw comes in a stored system case that protects the saw and is easy to store and carry. With the SP6000J, Makita has delivered a saw capable of performing precise, accurate, and straight cuts that'll change the way professionals and serious building do-it-yourselfers cut large sheets of materials. From the likely magnesium components to the splinter-free precision bevel cuts, powerful 12-amp motor, and ergonomic rubberized grip, the SP6000J is destined to become a favorite among professional woodworkers. Get into the Plunge circular saw technology today.
Hi, my name is Dave. I'm a professional carpenter. I've been a carpenter for over 36 years. Anything in the high-end carpentry area, that's kind of what I do for work. I'm looking for a consistent, stable platform in order to continually get the same cuts that I get over and over and over again. This track saw gives me the high-end capabilities of any of the other high-end track saws on the market. It's lightweight, easy to transport, easy to set up. It's an easy process to drop the track onto a guide, line the guide up with pencil marks, and make a quick cut. I'm substantially impressed by the battery life of the track saw. I get a number of cuts. I can work all morning long and I don't have to think about it. It's like being plugged into the wall without an extension cord. I could just keep cutting and cutting and cutting. I would say in any given day I would lose an hour to an hour and a half's worth of time plugging cords in, unplugging cords, changing tools around, and recalibrating tools. Having a cordless job site for me makes me look like an extreme professional with a client. It's mobile, and it untethers me from the need of an extension cord plugged into a wall. The downside with some of the other manufacturers has been the inconsistency in the cuts, the deterrent of the exorbitant cost of some of them, and it's very frustrating when you spend a lot of money on a high-end tool and you get the same inconsistency you do with a bottom-of-the-line, low-grade tool. Every single carpenter needs to have one of these, because these, when it comes to cutting large pieces of material, the track saw system gives me the ability to be fast and efficient and safe and do a great job every single time.